Connect the removable major head cable to the hand grip. Screw the knurled knob to hold the connection firmly in place. After the connection is completed, insert it into the USB port of the laptop, and the built-in white LED lights up. Super bright LED and high resolution. Waterproof design allows inspection in water mains and wet spaces as low as 3 feet with a clear picture. Small diameter design is ideal for close visual inspection of lines, small parts, tubing, etc. in tight places in the car. The above is the whole introduction of the video. Thank you for watching.